Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you where the green stalks are at, and today is October the 3rd. So things are starting to wind down, and I'm just going to do a quick overview. So we have lots of cilantro, and the chocolate mint is all over. We have some Kohlrabi. We also still have the strawberries that did not do very well this year, and I'm thinking I might do them in ground next year. And then we have some beans down here. I don't think these are going to be producing. And today was supposed to have been the first frost day, but by looking at the weather forecast, we might have another week or so before we actually get the first frost. That zucchini plant is just about done. More strawberries and mint, and more cilantro. And then in this second GreenStalk, we have lots of tomatoes, and I'm not sure how many of them are going to make it. We have some jalapeños. That zucchini plant is just about done. We have some oregano, which will hopefully keep growing through the winter. We have some mustard greens, more tomatoes, and as those start to blush, I'm taking them in to finish the ripening indoors. We have some Shishitos, just a few. And then we finally have the tiny California Wonder peppers, just a few. Some more zucchinis that are done. Then we have some parsley. And I'm not sure where that pepper plant came from. I don't remember planting that. So what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to take it indoors, and hopefully it will survive until next year. We have a few more zucchinis coming up, and the rest of the green stalk is just about done. Some more peppers, jalapeños, and then for the third green stalk, which has been the most productive one, as you can see, we still have lots of serranos. Most of them are green. Some are starting to turn red. And I've been picking about 5 red ones each day. So lots of serranos. We should have another year's supply of those. The Shishito plant looks like it's just about done as well. The green beans are done. And then we have the Dwarf Firebird tomatoes are starting to ripen. And we have quite a number of those, as you can see. The rest of them are in there. We can barely see in there. More serranos. This is the yellow monsters that I had given up on. We have about 5 or 10 of them that have finally decided to produce. Let's see, I know this is really random. We have a strawberry plant in here. And then we have the yellow jalapeños. Those are finally starting to change color. So that's good. And actually I just saw this one. So that's good. I can take that one in. So the way they ripen, so they go green and then they start turning black. And once they start turning black like that, then they turn yellow. All right, and then we still have that, the black kale, that's still going. We have more serranos. We have serranos everywhere. As you can see, those are more serranos, quite a few. And then we have the Pantera Jalapeños. I'm hoping this turn red. I would like them all to turn red before we pick them. We'll see how that goes. And we have more serranos. There's no shortage of serranos this year. And we are back to the serranos. Oh, and we also have the zucchini over here. And we do have a Poblano in here. And it produces one little one-offs. Let's see, okay. So that's that scalloped zucchini. That one did make it. And this plant is just about done. So in about a week here, I'll take everything down and see if I can do some winter growing. So we are out here today because I want to pick those Firebird tomatoes. So when these are ripe, they'll be red with green stripes. Yeah, that one's getting quite close. So I need to take those inside to finish ripening them. And there we have some more yellow monsters. So it's not too shabby, considering I had given up on any more growing for this year. So we'll see you when I do the raised beds here shortly. Bye for now.